Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milk Thistle is probably one of the most talked about supplements for liver health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Milk Thistle, exploring its benefits, and helping you choose the best product for your needs. Milk Thistle has been used for centuries, and it's known for its potential liver protective properties. So, if you're looking to support your liver health, you're in the right place. Number 5. Nature's Craft Liver Cleanse Detox and Repair. This advanced liver cleanser promotes stronger liver function. It's a unique detox pill enriched with beneficial ingredients for liver care you can trust. This liver health formula is powered by Milk Thistle and other protective antioxidants. It helps maintain normal liver function and supports digestion and immunity. Nourish your body with these herbal liver supplements. They are designed to detox, cleanse, and protect your liver while supporting its daily function. This herbal Milk Thistle supplement is made in a GMP American lab. It contains non-GMO botanicals, so you can supplement with confidence. We believe in harnessing the gifts of Mother Nature. That's why we offer this premium liver support supplement for men and women, with consumers like you in mind. What we like? This product offers a comprehensive blend of ingredients for liver health. It includes multiple cleansing nutrients to support your body's natural detoxification processes. If you are looking for a product with a wide range of beneficial ingredients, this is a great choice. It's made in a GMP lab, so you can trust it. What people say. Within the first 2 weeks or so, I found that I had more energy, and an overall good feeling. Yo tenía hígado graso y mi alt y todas esas cosas estaban fuera del rango normal. 3 meses después de tomarlo me hicieron las pruebas de nuevo y estaba mejorando muchísimo. En la siguiente prueba ya estaba normal. Felt noticeably better after taking these the first time. Number 4. Bronson Milk Thistle and Dandelion Root Liver Support. Introducing a supplement designed to support your liver health. This product combines Milk Thistle and Dandelion Root, working together to promote healthy liver function. This product is laboratory tested to be GMO-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. It's carefully manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility, ensuring the highest quality. Every product undergoes a rigorous process to ensure purity and potency. Manufactured in a CGMP-registered facility, it promises top-quality supplements verified for safety. Bronson Vitamins has been trusted by medical professionals since 1960. The pioneers of Bronson Vitamins saw the benefits of supplementation firsthand. Please note that this product contains natural ingredients, including flowers. Avoid it if you have allergies to ragweed or daisy-like flowers. What we like? This product focuses on supporting healthy liver function. It's also free of GMOs, gluten, and soy, making it suitable for those with dietary restrictions. If you prioritize a product from a brand with a long history and a commitment to quality, you should consider this one. What people say. With 250 capsules, oh so neat, a treasure trove of health replete. With antioxidants aplenty, it detoxed my liver, oh so gently. The capsules are easy to swallow, don't upset my stomach, and I feel like I have more energy and less, ugh, after heavy meals. Number 3. Zazzee Organic Milk Thistle 7,500 mg, 120 capsules. Looking for a great deal? This product offers an amazing value with 7,500 mg strength per capsule and 120 capsules in each bottle. It provides up to a 4-month supply, unlike other brands that may require multiple capsules per serving. This product uses a potent, concentrated 30:1 extract. This means the herb is condensed, making it 30 times stronger than standard capsules. It's a powerful supplement designed for maximum effectiveness. The key component, Silymarin flavonoids, is abundant in this product. It's standardized to 80% Silymarin flavonoids, with 200 mg per capsule from a 30:1 extract, offering a high dosage. This product is certified organic, ensuring it's all natural, vegan, and non-GMO. Unlike some competitors, it avoids chemicals and uses a unique organic stabilizer blend, ensuring purity. Your health and safety are a priority. This product is manufactured in the USA in a compliant facility, adhering to good manufacturing policies. You can trust that you're receiving the best quality for your money. What we like? This product stands out with its maximum strength dosage and high concentration of Silymarin flavonoids. It is also USDA certified organic, ensuring purity and quality. If you like a potent, organic option with a high concentration of the active ingredient, you should choose this one. What people say. Each capsule is equivalent to 7,500 milligrams of raw milk thistle, concentrated into a standardized 30:1 extract. Knowing it's standardized to 30:1 and contains 80% Silymarin flavonoids gave me peace of mind. I wasn't guessing about the dosage or effectiveness. Each capsule contains 200 milligrams of Silymarin. Number 2. FarmHaven Organic Milk Thistle Capsules. Introducing FarmHaven Organic Milk Thistle Capsules. This product is designed to support your liver function and overall health. It's a natural way to help you feel your best. Each capsule is packed with 80% Silymarin flavonoids. This key ingredient is what makes this product so effective. It helps support cell health and function. This formula uses a potent 30:1 concentrate. This means you're getting a high-strength product. It delivers the equivalent of 11,250 milligrams raw milk thistle seed. Beyond liver support, this product can also help with skin health. It may also promote proper digestion and support a natural immune response. This product is USDA certified organic, vegan, and non-GMO. It is made in the USA in an NSF certified facility. You can trust its purity and safety. What we like. This product offers a highly concentrated extract with 80% Silymarin. It also supports healthy skin and overall wellness. If you are looking for a product that offers multiple health benefits beyond just liver support, you should consider this one. What people say. Definitely helped me feel inflamed. It helps keep my blood sugar normal. It has stopped the pain I was having in my liver. Number 1. Now Food Silymarin Milk Thistle Extract 300 milligrams. Today, we're highlighting this supplement from Now Foods. It's a double-strength formula designed to support your liver function. This product contains Silymarin, along with artichoke and dandelion. It's a dietary supplement intended to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. The key ingredient is Silymarin, at a dosage of 240 milligrams. This supplement is designed to be a part of your daily routine. It also includes artichoke and dandelion. This combination is designed to provide comprehensive support. This product is non-GMO. It comes in 200 vegetarian capsules, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Remember, it's a dietary supplement. Take this product as directed to support your overall well-being. What we like. This product combines milk thistle with artichoke and dandelion for enhanced liver support. It offers a double-strength formula for added potency. If you are looking for a product with a synergistic blend of ingredients, this is a great option. What people say. Seems to work to help with digestion and liver detoxification. I am feeling better. No bad taste. Works to protect my liver from toxins and alcohol. Have used for well over a decade and got an ultrasound and liver is doing well. I like that it's a combo with artichoke too. Have used them before and my liver enzymes count went down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.